The UK spouse visa is a type of settlement visa that allows a non-UK citizen to join and live with their spouse or civil partner in the UK. The visa is initially granted for up to 2 years and 9 months, and can then be extended for a further 2 years and 9 months. After 5 years of living in the UK with a spouse visa, you may be eligible to apply for indefinite leave to remain, ILR, which allows you to live and work in the UK permanently. To be eligible for a UK spouse visa, you must meet the following requirements. You must be married to or in a civil partnership with a British citizen or settled person. Your marriage or civil partnership must be genuine and subsisting. This means that you must be in a genuine relationship with your partner, and that your marriage or civil partnership is still valid. Your partner must be able to meet the financial requirements for sponsoring you. This means that they must have a minimum income of £18,600 per year, or have savings of £62,500. You must have a good knowledge of English. You must not have any criminal convictions that would make you inadmissible to the UK. The application process for a UK spouse visa can be complex and time-consuming. It is important to carefully gather all of the required documents and to make sure that you meet all of the eligibility requirements. You can find more information about the application process on the UK government website. Here are some of the key documents that you will need to apply for a UK spouse visa. A valid passport or travel document, a copy of your marriage or civil partnership certificate, proof of your partner's UK immigration status, a copy of their passport, ILR card, or EU settled status certificate, proof of your partner's income, payslips, bank statements, or a letter from their employer, proof of your English language skills, a criminal record check from your home country. If your application is successful, you will be granted a visa that is valid for up to 2 years and 9 months. After 5 years of living in the UK with a spouse visa, you may be eligible to apply for indefinite leave to remain. This is a permanent visa that allows you to live and work in the UK without any restrictions. If you are planning to apply for a UK spouse visa, it is important to get professional advice from an immigration lawyer. They can help you to make sure that your application is complete and that you meet all the eligibility requirements. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about the UK spouse visa. The financial requirement for sponsoring a spouse visa is higher if you are applying from outside of the UK. If you are applying from outside of the UK, you may need to attend a visa interview. You may be required to provide additional evidence to support your application, such as photographs of you and your partner together, or evidence of your relationship. The UK spouse visa is a great way to join your spouse or civil partner in the UK. However, it is important to be aware of the requirements and the application process before you start your application.